Today's topic is dividing the two list elements. We are going to solve this problem using the two methods, method 1 using the zip and the list comprehension, and the method 2 using the map method. Moving towards the first method, that is using the zip and the list comprehension. So let me give you a brief introduction about what does the zip method does is the sole purpose of the zip method is just to map those similar index elements of our list which we have passed in the parameters. Here we have passed the list 1 and the list 2 in the parameter, so it's gonna just map those particular indexes with each other, that is 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, and then the so on. And after that, in the list comprehension, what we are going to do is for I and the j in our zip method, we are going to divide it and then we are going to store that value in our list number 3, and then we are showing an output. As you can see it over here, 1 gets divided by 2, we get 0.5, 3 gets divided by 4, we get 0.75, 5 gets divided by 6, we get 0.833, and then so on.